Mercedes S55 compressor V8. We're going to show you guys what's on it before we start cutting. Factory converter. Then secondary converters with 2 H pipes, one here and one here. And then 2 factory resonators there, and then a stock mufflers there. It's the AMG package, compressor supercharged. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut right after the converters, right there. Delete this H pipe and delete the 2 resonators on it there and there, and add a true flow 3-inch in, 3-inch out X pipe. We'll show you guys a link in the description for it, right here. True flow. All right, guys, so we got this sexy AMG lowered. Look at that. That's a nice stance on that AMG. Mercedes S55 compressor, AMG. Got that V8 supercharged power. Let me show you guys what we did on it. Factory converter. Then it's got an H pipe before, 2 secondary converters. It had an H pipe after, but we cut it out and put an X pipe in its place right there. He's gonna come back and we're gonna take these cats out and put 2 high flows in their place. But for right now, this is what we just did. We did a resonator delete for him and 3-inch pipe in its place. So we took that, we added an X pipe, 2 3-inch pipes, and then the 3-inch pipe continues from the factory, and it's got the original AMG mufflers out the back on this side and this side for now. And it's got that sexy AMG tips to finish it up there and there. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear what's on it before. There's that little H pipe that we took out. And there's the pipe. It was all dented up and crunched so it'll fit. We took all that out and cleaned it up for him. Took those mean resonators out. They were too quiet.
2006 Mercedes S55 5.5 liter supercharged V8. Let's show you guys what we got done on it. We got a catalytic converter right there, stock, into its stock secondaries with an H pipe connecting in between. Then what we did, mid resonator delete right there, and left his stock mufflers out the back. Didn't want it too loud, just wanted to hear the engine a little bit more. What did you guys see, what it sounds like in a second? Always make sure to remember to subscribe and comment your thoughts.
That sounds good. Yeah, it needs long tubes. Are they a pain to do? Heavy nose. Wow, this sounds good. Here's sound decibels. It's still too quiet. It's right at 91. It's really quiet. These cars are so comfortable to drive with nothing but raw power in them. Dude, they're insane how fast they are. Look at this sucker. I love the lowered look on it. It looks so good. Clean. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
Here's sound decibels. One more time. About 94. Nothing too crazy. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Should it have been a straight pipe? Should it have been just a muffler delete? Or should we have stuck with a resonator delete? Let me know what you guys think. All right, go and back it up. If you guys don't know, this is our beautiful shop located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. If you guys have any questions, give us a call at 615-612-6244. You can find all our products at exhaustaddicts.com. view. Germans know how to make a V8, man. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
Quick.
2006 Mercedes S55 AMG 5.5 liter supercharged V8 with a Resonator to lead. Sounds good. Let me know what you guys think below. Would you do a Resonator delete, a muffler delete, or straight pipe? Comment below, guys. Thank you.